Welcome back to our channel. Losing stubborn belly fat is a topic of great significance as it not only affects our appearance but also has profound health implications. Belly fat, particularly visceral fat, is linked to various health risks, including heart disease, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Understanding the different types of fat in our bodies is crucial. Subcutaneous fat, which lies just beneath the skin, is less harmful than visceral fat, which surrounds our organs and can lead to serious health issues. By recognizing these distinctions, we can better appreciate the importance of targeting belly fat, specifically in our weight loss efforts. Setting realistic expectations is essential when embarking on this journey. Many people fall prey to myths surrounding quick fixes and fad diets, which often promise rapid results but fail to deliver sustainable change. Instead, we will focus on actionable strategies that promote healthy, long-term weight loss. This includes adopting a balanced diet, incorporating regular physical activity, and understanding the role of stress and sleep in fat accumulation. By debunking common misconceptions and providing practical tips, we aim to empower individuals to take control of their health and effectively reduce stubborn belly fat. Ultimately, this journey is not just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing overall well-being and reducing the risk of serious health conditions associated with excess abdominal fat. Belly fat, often a concern for many, can be categorized into two main types: subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is the layer of fat that lies just beneath the skin, giving the belly a softer appearance. While it can be unsightly, it is generally less harmful than its counterpart. Visceral fat, on the other hand, is located deeper within the abdominal cavity, surrounding vital organs such as the liver, pancreas, and intestines. This type of fat poses significant health risks as it is linked to various serious conditions including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Excess visceral fat can lead to inflammation and insulin resistance, further exacerbating these health issues. Therefore, understanding the distinction between these two types of belly fat is crucial for anyone looking to improve their health. Managing belly fat is not just about aesthetics, it plays a vital role in overall health and well-being. Reducing visceral fat can lead to improved metabolic function, lower blood pressure, and a decreased risk of chronic diseases. By focusing on strategies to minimize belly fat, such as adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and managing stress levels, individuals can significantly enhance their health outcomes. Ultimately, prioritizing the management of belly fat is essential for achieving a healthier, more vibrant life. In exploring the factors that contribute to increased belly fat, several lifestyle elements come into play, including diet, exercise, and stress management. A diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to weight gain, particularly in the abdominal area. Conversely, a lack of physical activity can exacerbate this issue as regular exercise is essential for burning calories and maintaining a healthy weight. Additionally, stress plays a significant role in fat accumulation. Elevated cortisol levels, often a result of chronic stress, can lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods, further contributing to belly fat. While lifestyle choices are critical, it's also important to acknowledge the role of genetics in fat distribution. Some individuals may be genetically predisposed to store fat in their abdominal region, making it more challenging to lose. However, despite these genetic factors, there are many controllable elements that individuals can focus on to manage their belly fat effectively. By prioritizing a balanced diet rich in whole foods, committing to regular physical activity, and implementing stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness or yoga, individuals can take proactive steps toward reducing belly fat. Encouraging viewers to concentrate on these controllable factors empowers them to make positive changes in their lives, ultimately leading to improved health and well-being. Taking charge of these aspects can significantly impact belly fat reduction and overall health. A common misconception in the realm of fitness is the idea of spot reduction, the belief that one can target fat loss in specific areas of the body, such as the belly or thighs, through targeted exercises. However, spot reduction is a myth research has consistently shown that fat loss occurs uniformly throughout the body rather than in isolated areas. This means that while performing exercises like crunches may strengthen abdominal muscles, they do not directly lead to a reduction in belly fat. Instead, the focus should be on overall body fat reduction, which can be achieved through a combination of a balanced diet, cardiovascular exercise, and strength training. By creating a calorie deficit and engaging in activities that promote fat loss, individuals can effectively reduce fat from all areas of the body, including stubborn regions. Adopting a holistic approach to fat loss is essential for long-term success. This involves not only physical activity and nutrition, but also addressing lifestyle factors such as sleep quality and stress management. By incorporating a variety of strategies, individuals can create a sustainable plan that promotes overall health and well-being. Emphasizing the importance of a comprehensive approach helps dispel the myth of spot reduction and encourages individuals to focus on their overall fitness journey. Ultimately, embracing this mindset can lead to more effective and lasting results in achieving a healthier body composition. Understanding the fundamentals of fat metabolism and calorie balance is crucial for anyone looking to manage their weight effectively. At the core of this concept is the equation of calories in versus calories out. Simply put, to lose fat, one must consume fewer calories than the body expends. This calorie deficit prompts the body to tap into its fat stores for energy, leading to fat loss over time. Conversely, consuming more calories than the body burns results in weight gain as excess energy is stored as fat. Recognizing individual energy needs is essential in this equation. Factors such as age, gender, weight, activity level, and metabolic rate all influence how many calories a person requires daily. Understanding these needs allows individuals to create a tailored approach to their diet and exercise routines, ensuring they achieve a sustainable calorie balance. However, several common myths about fat loss and exercise can cloud this understanding. For instance, many believe that certain exercises can lead to spot reduction or that lifting weights will make them bulky. In reality, strength training is vital for building muscle, which can enhance metabolism and promote fat loss. Additionally, some people think that they can out-exercise a poor diet, but without proper nutrition, achieving a calorie deficit becomes challenging. By debunking these myths and focusing on the principles of calorie balance and energy needs, individuals can develop a more effective strategy for fat loss and overall health. Effectively reducing belly fat involves a combination of proven methods that focus on nutritional adjustments, smart food choices, and lifestyle changes. One of the most impactful strategies is to adopt a balanced diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reducing the intake of processed foods, sugars, and refined carbohydrates can significantly help in managing calorie intake and promoting fat loss. Incorporating fiber-rich foods can also aid digestion and keep you feeling full longer, which is beneficial for weight management. Another effective approach is intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This method has gained popularity due to its potential benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced fat burning, and reduced hunger levels. By limiting the eating window, individuals may find it easier to create a calorie deficit without feeling deprived. In addition to dietary changes, physical activity plays a crucial role in reducing belly fat. Engaging in regular aerobic exercises, such as walking, running, or cycling, can help burn calories and improve overall cardiovascular health. Strength training is equally important as it builds muscle mass, which can boost metabolism and aid in fat loss. Furthermore, making lifestyle changes such as prioritizing sleep and managing stress can significantly impact weight management. By combining these nutritional adjustments, intermittent fasting, and increased physical activity, individuals can effectively reduce belly fat and enhance their overall health and well-being. Making sustainable lifestyle changes is a journey that begins with small, manageable adjustments. Rather than attempting drastic overhauls that can be overwhelming, it's beneficial to start with simple modifications that can easily fit into your daily routine. For instance, swapping sugary drinks for water, incorporating an extra serving of vegetables into meals, or taking short walks during breaks can be effective starting points. These small changes can accumulate over time, leading to significant improvements in health and well-being. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on the button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart with a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. Consistency and patience are key components of this process. It's important to understand that lasting change doesn't happen overnight. Establishing new habits takes time, and there may be setbacks along the way. Embracing a mindset of gradual progress rather than perfection can help maintain motivation and commitment. Setting realistic health goals is also crucial for success. Instead of aiming for rapid weight loss or extreme fitness levels, focus on achievable objectives that align with your lifestyle. For example, aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week or commit to exercising 3 times a week. Celebrating progress, no matter how small, reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Whether it's acknowledging improved energy levels, fitting into a favorite outfit, or completing a workout, recognizing these milestones can boost your confidence and commitment to your health journey. By fostering a supportive environment and focusing on sustainable changes, you can create a healthier lifestyle that lasts. In summary, understanding and managing belly fat is crucial for both aesthetic and health reasons. Excess belly fat, particularly visceral fat, poses significant health risks, including heart disease and diabetes. By recognizing the different types of fat and the factors contributing to their accumulation, individuals can take informed steps toward effective fat loss. It's essential to focus on overall body fat reduction through balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes rather than falling for the myth of spot reduction. As you embark on this journey, I encourage you to take actionable steps toward improving your health. Start with small, manageable adjustments to your diet and exercise routine, and remember that consistency and patience are vital. Set realistic health goals and celebrate your progress along the way, as every small victory contributes to your overall success. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from learning about belly fat management. Your engagement not only helps us grow, but also fosters a community focused on achieving better health together. Let's support each other on this journey toward a healthier lifestyle, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your goals.